they're gonna be tasty.
Sounds great. I'm excited.
But it doesn't have any instructions on it, so I'm like...
So we're just gonna have to try and make them ourselves.
Yeah.
We're thinking oil.
You think it could work in a toaster? No?
No,
Yes.
I don't think so.
You're filming my boobs again.
Am I?
Yeah.
No. Look at them. Nürnberger roast breakfast. Original Nürnberger roast breakfast. Are we going to have it with... She doesn't mind. She's asleep. Look at that cool pan. It's a sausage. It's a cooking show. Step 1. Get a pan. Like this pan. That has grooves on it. Step
it's very,
2.
the shape of a...
Square.
Square, right? Yeah. Oh well. And yeah, step 2, get oil.
Oil. From the cupboard.
From the cupboard on the right side. There's oil. Kleines Sonnenblumenöl.
Sonnenblume.
Put it into the pan.
Yes, like so.
Like so. Totally.
Look at it spreading, spread
Oh,
around.
we should maybe put them into the microwave.
Yep. Shouldn't we put them in the oven?
Why? They're gonna be hard like rock.
Microwave, doesn't that make them too soft?
No. You can put it in the... Where are you filming?
What bread roll.
Put 725. Put the bread rolls into the microwave. Turn it on. Look inside and see them burning. And make a dance.
Make a dance. It's the cooking show.
I need a
You need a chef hat.
yeah, chef hat. Yeah. Oh, maybe you should wear.
Yeah, wear your apron.
Yes. Sure. Oh, everyone's gonna think that I'm drunk, but I'm just not.
No, you're not.
Maybe I'm
This
so
is
drunk
really
for me.
Francie when she's sober.
I'm sober.
She's
I'm
totally
so
sober. Don't think
I
she's
had
drunk.
4
She's so
Cokes.
sober. She drove home.
Yeah, I
She's
had
just
4
hyper on
Cokes.
sugar, that's all.
I had 4 Cokes in a row. That is crazy.
Are you serious? 4
Yeah,
Cokes
4.
in a row? That's
It
insane.
was like 2 liters of Coke.
Oh my god.
Oh.
Okay.
Sausages.
Okay,
Oh my God.
sausages.
But what are they gonna think when they see me like that?
What?
They're gonna think, oh my god.
They're gonna think you're
Look at her when
crazy,
she's
like you are.
sober. We're staying with a crazy person.
I was staying with a crazy
To everyone who's watching that, I'm not crazy.
She's just a little bit nuts.
I'm just... Well...
Ew, the bench's got
I don't know what
cheese
to
on it.
say. I'm just kind of weird, maybe. Some sort of a weirdo. A German
Some sort of a
weirdo.
weirdo.
You mind if I cut your camera?
No!
It won't work anyways.
Don't cut the camera
Okay.
part.
Step 7055. This number doesn't even exist. Well, cut the
sausages.
sausages. Smell them.
Smell them.
Smells like cat food. Smell them, Tammy. Smell them.
Really?
Yeah. It's gross.
Ew, that's disgusting.
We're gonna eat that. I
Ew.
think we should wash them before we do that.
Wash them. I don't know, do you need to wash sausages in Germany?
They're really dirty.
But they're in a packaging.
Yeah, that's true.
They should be fine. They're going to be fried.
Oh.
Ding! Is it ready? Ooh, fertig.
Fertig. I'll just go and wash my hands then.
Okay.
Oh, I need to tell you about that Lucas guy.
What Lucas guy?
He said the lamest thing to me. The guy with dreads.
Oh yeah. What did he say?
Because we were talking about Australia and everything, because he's been to Australia and I said like, yeah, it's so much easier to meet new people and stuff there.
Yeah.
And he said, yeah, it's like totally the opposite here, because everyone's out with his friends and no one cares about other people and doesn't want to get to know any new people. And then he was like, yeah, like you've been sitting here for like 3 hours on this bench. I was like, what? That's not true. Maybe I was sitting here for like 1 hour or something.
Yeah.
And then I said to him, yeah, but you're the same every time I went past you, you were standing here, so what's up with that? Then he said like, saw they like, yeah, that's because I was always looking where you were. I was like,
are you serious? Did he really say that?
Yeah, he said that.
That's a weird thing for a German guy to say.
Yeah, but that's kind of lame, isn't it?
It is. It's like sleazy. It's not lame.
Sleazy,
It's
lame.
totally sleazy.
I think it's lame too.
It is lame as well. It's like sad case, yeah.
I was like,
And first he insults you, and then he
yeah,
tries to be sleazy. Look at those sausages. So yeah,
fuck that shit.
that's really weird. It's so true though.
I think we need more.
I always, but it's not. It's
Can
okay.
we need more?
No, that's
I'm
not.
not gonna have more than 4.
I'm not having more than. No way. Okay.
We're gonna have breakfast soon, anyways.
Yeah. I think in Australia it's more that like,
On drugs.
look at them, they're browning. Nürnberger sausages. That's so
It's gonna
cool.
smell like
Fried
sausages in the whole house.
It will.
Yeah.
They look really nice. They smell nice. Smell nice.
Ah.
Don't burn yourself. What are you doing? What are you doing? Frankie. Watch out, man.
Look at that. Tammy's having her sausage bread roll with butter.
It's great. That's how you do it Australian style.
But you have to have it Bavarian style.
Bavarian style.
Bavarian style.
Oh my god, someone said that to me once.
What?
Do you want me to do that? Show you that Bavarian style.
Yeah.
Some guy said that to me.
What did you say?
I was like,
Ooh,
get
yay!
away from me. You weird little Bavarian. I wonder who that was. Oh,
You're
that was
so
that guy
gonna
when I
get
was with
sick
Louise
from
when we were at the
that.
pub.
That is disgusting.
It's great.
It's
Look at
disgusting.
it, it's great. The butter won't spread.
uh,
Help.
uh.
That's really weird. You don't have butter on it.
No. You're gonna have ketchup or mustard.
Yeah, you have that as well. Ketchup and mustard and butter. What does that mean?
I don't know. Well, anyways, it has been done. The sausages are finished. And Tammy got too excited. That's why she didn't keep on filming.
I was like, they look great. Sausages.
Sausages! Woo! Woo! Woo!
Ja.
Booyah!
Can you say that? Ja. Habe Daddy. Wie schaut's aus mit uns? Wo's wo? Heute Nacht. Heit. Ciao, ciao.
You're so gross. You're so funny, Tammy. You seem like some gross guy.
Did it even make sense?
Some sleaze bag.
Did it even make sense?
Not really.
No.
Don't worry about it.
Say now. You say how I have to really say it.
You'll be
Turn it-
apples.
Turn it around and say it. You'll be apples. Here. Now you say it.
Okay. Just swallow.
Come on, just talk with your mouth full.
No.
Wie schaut's aus mit uns?
Habedere. Wie schaut's aus? Na. Wie schaut's aus mit uns zwei heute Nacht?
Zwei
Ciao, ciao.
Nacht. Ciao, ciao, Pirkel.
Ciao, ciao, Pirkel.
Woohoo! Woohoo!